Oh yeah, and well, we'll also come and take a look at maybe an extended part of what has happened, not just in Anambra State, but across the other parts of the country. But if I could just take some more questions on security. Remember, I mean, I'm seeing people talk about how Nigerian forces did help build confidence when they were in Liberia, because there's so much victory. But part of the question also is that, have we or are we learning the right lessons concerning why were we not able to do this on time? And then how do we ensure that, yes, this kind of victory and the ones we'll record much later and maybe not too distant time is really here to stay, that we don't play politics with human lives?
It's an area that we as a people and as a country have actually not done very well. It's not just in the military, it's also every aspect of our national life. Documentation, institutional memory, knowledge management. You will be surprised that all the prowess Nigeria has achieved in peacekeeping and all foreign, it's actually outsiders that document them. You read them in foreign libraries, in foreign publications and journals. So within the institutions that I look at now, for instance, even within our region, Nigeria is a leader in sub-Saharan Africa in peacekeeping operations. Where do you have a major center for peacekeeping studies? It's in Ghana. And you ask yourself, is it that we don't have the resources, both material and mental resources, to have such an institution where if the agencies, because they are operationally involved in them, do not have the time to sit back and reflect on them, that you have academics that spend their lifetime of scholarship studying this. You have the same thing with the police. So I hope that all lessons that need to be learned will be learned from this. But again, one thing my mind tells me, oh, it's something to do, but if we fall back on history, on experience, we have not done very well in the area of record keeping and institutional memory. It may well be the high turnover of personnel at the leadership level of these agencies. It may well be the research and planning department is still seen as Siberia for officers that are not wanted. You know, the training institutions, as you have in the police, is a punishment posting. And this is where their counterparts in other parts of the world post their best brain.